Okay, welcome to 2921 Voelkel in Dormont, Pennsylvania. Voelkel is a one-way street, one-way sidewalk on both sides street. And it is permit parking, so that keeps a lot of riffraff off the street and allows you easy access to parking. It's only 10 or 20 bucks a year to get a permit, and that's during the weekdays. So on the weekends it's free. So we have a covered front porch. So the property was renovated, but I want to make sure you understand it was not renovated by the current owners. The house was flipped and they bought it off of a flipper. Hardwood floors upon entry, carpet. We can only imagine the original wood floors are underneath. Living room, this chandelier goes with the cellars. It'll be replaced with the one that was on the house whenever they bought it. So this is the living room. You can see fresh drywall, multi-pane windows. The outlets are even child-proof, so we are assuming that the electric and everything is newer. There is a sticker on the panel downstairs as well. So this is the living room. Moving into the dining room, this light fixture does stay with the house. Kitchen's updated as well. Granite countertops, stainless steel gas stove, stainless steel appliances, tile floor, undermount sink. Tons of cabinets, good quality cabinets, pretty good install, lighted ceiling fan. And we have this bonus room back here, which we love. So it's the whole width of the house. We do not know if maybe it was a porch that was enclosed or whatever, but it is drywall. There's electric, there's heat, and it's a great addition to this property, giving you more usable, livable square footage. Out back, we have a deck that is maintenance-free material. Completely fenced in backyard. That does not go with the house. It's on street parking. Vinyl siding, which is newer. Central air is newer. Shingles are new. So whoever did the renovation did a pretty good job by my standards. And the house is pre-inspected with a copy of the inspection available to the public. So you just have to reach out to me. Okay, so that's the first floor. The basement's unfinished. So we're going to skip the basement. Moving upstairs, multi-pane window. We're gonna go right into bedroom number 1. I'm thinking this is the master. Standard 9-foot high ceilings, lighted ceiling fan. I know what you're thinking, the closet's small. I have a solution to that, don't worry. But good sized bedroom. And here's the solution. We have this closet space out here that's enormous. So I'm not sure what it was originally. Could have been a back staircase or whatever. But the people that renovated the property made it a good sized closet, so that could be your closet for that bedroom. Full bath, tiled floor, tiled tub shower surround, earth tone colors, so nice and neutral. It's a good sized bathroom. If you wanted, you could probably make this a dual vanity. Might be kind of tight, but it'd be worth doing. Maybe you can make a corner vanity. What I'm saying is you have enough square footage in this bathroom. It's not small, where you could change things up or leave it as is. Okay, bedroom 2. Another good sized bedroom, lighted ceiling fan, small closet of course, textured ceiling, which I thought was pretty cool. Multi-pane windows. And then bedroom 3 is used as an office by there's the linen closet right there. Bedroom 3 is used as an office. And then the top floor, the whole attic has been finished. So this could be a game room, romper room for the kids. Depends on what your lifestyle requires. It could be a bedroom. You'd have to build in closets somehow, because there's no closets up here. But you'd have to get a little more heat up here. There is a heat source, which makes it legal. But by the time the heat gets up here, it's a little cool up here. So all right. That is the 4.5 minute tour. Brian sells Pittsburgh, Remax, Real Estate Solutions. Feel free to get in touch with me or get in touch with your agent.